Hello everyone, this is Wajiha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will make you understand about the strategies that are used in IQ option for digital and binary trading. So I will make you understand about the strategies that most of the pro traders are used in their trading and they're earning huge amount of money. So let's move. I have opened a trading of Euro USD. So in digital trading, I clicked on the Euro USD because it's providing the highest profit. Euro USD and Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and all of them. That market is open and they are providing the highest profit, and other the currencies are closed. They will open in one day and some of the hours. So I opened the currency and I almost like, and most of the people using this currency, they mostly people trade in Euro USD and it's very famous. So just click on the info. From the info you have to look the technical analysis and information. It's telling us about the trader statement, that what are traders analyzing and what they are commenting about. They are saying that the trend in 49% of the people or trader is saying that the trend is no 49% higher and 51% lower. It means most of the people are saying that, most of the traders are saying that 57% there are chances sometimes it's drastically increase and sometimes it's drastically decrease. So we are not sure about any time, because in a single second it can create a huge change. So you can look at this slider and how it's moving. It's higher to lower, and 53% there's the chances of lower and 47% there's the chances of higher. So you can also predict from this information according to the traders. So here are the 5-minute change. From 5-minute change it's on low, it's on very low 5-minute change. It's from it has very low condition. In 60-minute change, almost 1 hour change, it's from low to higher. The rank is going from low to higher. And what about the 1 day change? It's from low to high, and in 5 minutes it's again at low. And from this panel you can predict that where the trend will go, and you can apply your trade. So the most important thing in strategy making is from where you can analyze what about the trend, where the trend will go. Either it will up or either it will be low, either it will be higher, either it will be go lower. You must have information about the technical analysis, and technical analysis is very 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 important. So here is the 1 minute change in Euro USD, and you should have a click on the buy. It's a buy trend. Sometimes it suddenly goes to neutral, and sometimes people are selling, and sometimes people are buying. So it's a 1 minute trend. People are buying, and in 5 minutes, people it's a uptrend. In 15 minutes it's a uptrend. In 1 hour it's a uptrend. In 4 hours it's a uptrend. In 1 day it was neutral, neither it was on the peak situation. So it was neither for buy and neither for sell. It was in the middle of the chart. And what about 7 days? In 7 days it was almost on sell condition, and in 30 days it was strong sell. People were selling, and it was drastically the lower stage. So from this situation and from this analysis, you can come to know that you can also apply in 5 minutes. It's drastically moving up. So from these analyses you can conclude that either it will go up and either it will go down, because summary is describing everything. So it's a buy condition, the trend is buy, the trend is up. So let's try that. Either it will go up and either it will go down. I would like to open the chart. So I'll make it smaller. You can see that it's going up from here to there. Suppose if I click that, it will go up. I'm not sure about that. Either I might be wrong. I think I will lose my trade. The main purpose of making this video was to make you understand about the strategies, that how it's work, and how can you conclude from the summary position, and how can you make sure about that what about the trend. You can also look at the trend, that how it's working and what is the criteria, and what are the people thinking, and what is the most of the people doing. Either they are selling or either they are buying. So as we have seen that the trend is of up level, and I think it's moving from now up to down level. As you can see that it's a zigzag, very zigzag, and it's moving from up to down, sorry, down to up. I lose my trade, but I make you understand about the strategies, that how it will they work and how can you make them understand. I hope you will like my video. I will make another video on this topic. Hope to see you soon.